like other animals for destroying your fence, and this aluminum fence maybe is your most economy solution for it. It's more stable and strong. Even if for the small animals cannot destroy it all. We can also provide this fence replacement if you need it for the order, and also we can also provide this full privacy, and also this gap design. If you don't like the horizontal slat, we can also provide you the vertical design. And I'm going to show you the vertical design right now. This one is the vertical design, which you can see, even if it's the whole gap design fence material, it has the different sizes. This one is 25 plus 25, and this one is like 100. Yes, this one's 4 times 5 foot. And this one is the fence post, which will have this cover for it, but this section is just missing. You will have the cover for it to prevent the dust or any other things dropping it or destroying the whole structure. So don't worry, we will have all the covers, like the chute cover, the fence side covered, or this hose fletch cover to cover all the holes and the screw holes for the fence or the gate structure. There will be no screw holes for the outside, or try our best to make it less. And the fence can be customized by this design, or can be customized by this colored. We offer you the 2 standard color, this green color and also the black color. These 2 standard colors and also the popular wooden color is also available. For example, the wooden color, and if you need any other customization color for this wooden color, we can also offer you the